Creating a successful YouTube channel requires careful planning, consistent effort, and strategic execution. Here's a step-by-step explanation to help you grow your YouTube channel. Define your niche. Pick a topic you're passionate about. Your content should focus on a subject that interests you and one you can consistently create videos on. Some popular niches include tech reviews, cooking, travel, gaming, personal finance, and education. Research your niche. Find out what works well in your niche by observing other successful channels and identifying gaps you can fill with your content. Create a YouTube account. Sign up with Google and create a YouTube channel. Choose a channel name that reflects your niche and brand. Customize your channel. Add a profile picture, preferably a logo or a high-quality image, a banner, and a clear description about what your channel offers. Understand your target audience. Research and identify the type of audience you want to reach, e.g., age group, interests, location. Tailor your content to meet their preferences and create a persona that resonates with your viewers. Create a content plan. Decide what type of content you'll post, tutorials, vlogs, reviews, etc. Plan video topics. Brainstorm a list of potential video ideas and create a content calendar to ensure consistency. Focus on quality over quantity. Create content that's informative, entertaining, or both. Your videos should provide value to viewers. Optimize video production. Invest in basic equipment. You don't need the most expensive gear, but make sure to have a decent camera, microphone, and lighting setup for high-quality videos. Learn basic video editing. Use software like iMovie, Adobe Premiere, or free tools such as DaVinci Resolve. Create engaging thumbnails. Make custom thumbnails that are eye-catching to increase your click-through rate, CTR. Write effective video titles. Use clear, descriptive, and engaging titles that include keywords people are searching for. Search engine optimization. SEO, use keywords in video titles, descriptions, and tags. Research the best keywords for your niche using tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or Google Keyword Planner. Write detailed video descriptions. Include relevant keywords and tell viewers what the video is about. Use hashtags. Add relevant hashtags to your video description to help with discoverability. Add your videos to playlists. This keeps viewers on your channel for longer and helps with engagement. Be consistent. Stick to a consistent upload schedule, e.g. one video per week. Viewers like predictability, and regular posting helps build momentum. Maintain a balance between frequency and quality to avoid burnout or subpar content. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions on your videos. This helps build a community and encourages viewer loyalty. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe in every video. Ask open-ended questions to foster interaction. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to interact with your audience outside YouTube. Collaborate with other creators. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche for collaborations. It helps expand your audience and adds variety to your content. Feature guest appearances or interviews with experts in your field. Analyze performance with YouTube Analytics. Regularly monitor your YouTube Analytics to track performance metrics like views, watch time, subscriber growth, and audience retention.